Okay, shout out to my friend. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Hakkı.
What?
Hakkı.
Hadke. Where are you
Yeah.
from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah.
You here for vacation?
Yeah.
Philippines?
Yeah, for vacation.
How long you stay here?
4 days, 5 days.
Oh.
Yeah, for 5 days.
How many days to stay?
Here,
Yeah.
I like it, but dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Manila is
Oh,
dangerous.
shout out Anthony Moso. Say Anthony.
Anthony Moso.
Shout out to everyone.
Yeah, Mosato.
I will teach you how to speak Tagalog.
Yeah,
Little
sure.
bit.
Yeah, sure.
What time is already 1 o'clock? 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. This afternoon.
Okay.
Afternoon in Tagalog,
Yeah.
tanghali.
Tanghali.
Tanghalin tapat.
Tanghali.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat.
Tanghali.
Magandang tanghali.
Tanghali.
Sa inyo.
Tanghali.
Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat.
Magandang tanghali.
Yo.
Magandang is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you. Shout out. Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you. Why? No.
Okay.
Go up, oh. Pogi.
Guwapo.
Guwapo.
Yeah, go
Maganda.
up. Pogi.
Maganda, beautiful.
Kantang. What is
Maganda.
the kantang?
Maganda.
Maganda.
It's beautiful.
Maganda. In girls, said maganda is beautiful.
Magandang is afternoon.
Magandang.